matter will choke. People that my matter will choke, they will not stay on their own. You hate Ogechi so much, but you cannot stay on your platform. You will zuzuna bitterness again. You're no longer gonna use fake account. You will use your account to come to my platform to start talking shit. You hate Ogechi so much, but you're still on my platform. What are you doing here? Amanadu BTG here. See how you guys are so fucked up. So miserable. You see how miserable you guys are? You see how fucked up all of you are? You guys are fucked up to an extent. You don't even... Okay, so you see they give those mumu attention. I beg, leave them. No. These people are so fucked up. Naturally messed up. That they fucked up. I have taken 90% of your lifestyle. Without coming to my platform to show tantrum, you will not go rest. See how I have taken on an entire generational lifestyle. Must you bring your frustration to my platform? See how our life has been taken away from Ona just because of the hate when you Ogechi. You keep crying, I don't even know who you are. And every time you come to my platform, you keep showing tantrum. You keep throwing little child tantrum. What the fuck are you doing on my platform? What the fuck are you doing here? Ndamusu, ndabono. Stupid people. Now, this was a post. I saw it on one blogger. I copied it. I posted it on my platform. Just the way they copied it, though. A lot of bloggers has been posting it. Some miserable, useless people came there to attack Igbo. Some useless fools came there to attack Igbo. And this was my own to encourage the family to remain strong. That they should ignore all these bullies on social media. This was the one someone posted. I copied it and posted. And this was my own to encourage them. Some idiots have been on this one that I posted. Okay, we know the reason why you're posting it. We know why you're posting it. This was a similar what people say that I should post my own case. Actually, my own case before that win bestseller. So you guys say just because of the hate and you bite and you bought the narratives. My mata go bunu. My mata go bunu. I go see una one after another. My mata go finish una. Somebody made a post and one blogger shared it. I copied it and posted it. Idiots came to my platform. Start crying. There wasn't ndane begana nyamiya through comment section. And this is my own post. Try to tell this family to endure it. Social media is all about frustrated people. Whether emugodi monkey, carry your monkey with pride. The monkey is your child. Before that lady got into that marriage, she knew that these people gene are terrible. That you can't change. Also, like a low, a tall person, low, a short person. A3 is one out of, by his grace, called Ade. She knew what she was dabbling to. Are you going to be the one to advise her? Or but again, why are you guys mocking her? That is her choice. You may not like that choice. I may not like her choice, but that is her choice. Why are you guys throwing tantrum on her business? I posted a video just to wish them congratulations. Bruna wickedness. You see why I don't give a fuck about Ona? Even if today I share 1 billion to people, you will still hate it. You see why I don't do to please anybody. I say what is in my mind. And when a brewezy, people, idiots that will come to my platform, Ogechi, you are posting this, don't post it anymore. As you own platform for me. When your mother ground find this blew up. It's no, especially in men are alive, especially all these useless people, and all these hopeless women are people, especially in those two udela, they are crying bitterly on a daily basis. Especially all these frustrated they don't like my gods. They don't like my gods. So why are you guys on this platform? Why? And what would they so now send them na platform? When you bu na but why are you? You hate Ogechi so much. Why are you here? Or people know actually read their soul. I just hate him mad for no reason. People are not just because of useless, jobless men and women talking about Ogechi. They just decided no anyway that is true. And you just hate yourself 24/7. You basaro Ogechi na ewegi iwe. Lekwa ge ke nwuru. Onye na achọ m gada, onye m na achọ gada. It's just the way it is. Lekwa ge ke nwuru. Lekwa ge ka life ge fuck up. You guys are and when we kobe this baby. Nguru, Nkubi and the wife. I wouldn't have bring this baby on so Unukugo na emechi onu. And he knew how toxic this blew up or this social media. They will tell this baby to understand itself. You will not like it anymore. And when people don't have conscience, so some people don't get conscience. Because I don't believe that a human being should be created one human being shredded. That the only one choice to come out any form or choice. That is why onye amube nwa na emepe onu na akọ ụmụ ndị mmadụ na just they laugh. Onye amube nwa and you are running out of age. You are still thinking emube nwa ga-emepe onu, especially all this useless woman shago jiri wumbu ha sacrifice ya in prostitution lifestyle. Ge unga ha na akọ ụmụ mmadụ ọnụ. Ocha na atọrọ m ha. Emuba amu ka ịkpụrụ akpụ ị na-ete every now and then. Get na plan A na plan B na alo. Itepu getaria. Edition is responsible. Gahun demoramu. You start to castigate their cakes. Eberem ne merunu. Children are like spirits. Makachi. Eberem ne merunu. Or na this particular family or call no una na akogwara. Like in the korom kam na akogwara o. A call I will call again. But this particular family never told you, never come on social media, insult you. Just at time they are the child they decided to all these people were dwarfism gene. Their gene in carry very strong. It take by God grace can one year their partner. Also got the Galonia Toro, their gene are this strong. Their gene are very, very strong. So I don't know how you know Nkubi. Nkubi are different from Umwe. So what is the difference? Why are you guys panicking? Oga, chere, that's when Nkubi more another person. Now, we got to team outside. We got no cheating Nkubi. The guy muri ihe yiri ya. Ona apụta na-eti mkpu. Ha gwara gị na ha mahụ na ọka social media dị. Ona apụta were frustration unu. Me post you na twist ya to another angle. Mmadụ ha magbukwe unu. Mama do unu. Mama table on this social media. Chineka unu oko. Una ga his business unu. Ogechi do unu condition unu. Omo wash ndị embassy nye n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. ọmụashi unu ndị ke na America frustration gburu ọmụashi egbu unu aga ezu ike nọrọ n'onwe unu 2025 unu aga eji ya mere ihe bara uru chema aga gbanwe post ya la ma another testimony unu bere weko because apa my mission una tears no go dry unu ga na-ebe after 24/7 ndala ndabụrụ Ogechi problem gawa all these dominala useless hopeless idiots then tiritija ha be na comment section na ebe aka agaje gajwa gini na-eme gị ihe Ogechi post now what has it got to do with this your stupid comments ya ogene past pain, past aggression. The better you guys know through, the better it is. So I don't send any of you my platform, my page I did. Unu be channel na lakbu. Okay, mkedia. You can see I'm making my money. And the year I gonna atom mbada ga akwụgo ụgbọ ụfọdụ na-eche one odogwu ga-abịa buru ha ga ka m na-emega my own odogwu na-ebu m n'ọrụ unu na-ahụ m constantly even mgbe di m abịabe ya m na-agba wall 2018 enwe onye ga-achị na ya hụ na nwoke n'ụlọ m njecha skuulu mbata edu na-agbara wall m enweghị onye ga-achị Ogechi live a promiscuous life lie because my life on this social media has been open. Even some people may say, Ogechi, do not associate. You don't go to social. Yes. I don't know. Actually, on your shimmy, as I did inside house, anybody they look for my trouble. And when I party gash, my shaggy. When I was going to school, who know they are aware. When I graduated, who know they are aware. When I did do my thing, all of my everything, my life is simple. It's someone is Zuzu. A big since you know me on this blue app, I'm gonna this man, I'm gonna this man. It has never happened. It has never happened. You can say whatever you like. And them upon all wash. But am I gonna be here for you to explain anything to you? No. I'm the well cultured and well mannered when it comes to principled. To be a principled woman. To have ethics when it comes to self-respect. Ogechi when you're number one. It's so moon is so you matter how many years in on social media. Ya wouldn't name say Zuzu. And you wouldn't them both. I'm the first person when you me page before people are matter when you page. Ono Caribbean and to maybe working on a man and a camp women a live wayward life. No la call just get back Ogechi. So moon is my life has been open to the Mbemna about 24 hours was saying home gas school, but I'm about a woman. Laboring the money may be Mungawa store in home, ma pata so I know you now, but okay, you go no, and it will be one day. Get my money is on social media. Ganoshi, Onya Gaferunya, my boyfriend, Munoye, that it has never happened. Came by my years on this blue, and I show one is life was shower, don't on my home. Someday, we are my mama surely can ban ya. The way it is, life will rubbish. Uno garagaba upon one place, madu me dibia life rubbish. Oh no, me be homo dundu. Yes, I know I'm social media for you. We bonye orobatra no lo one day, and I bon okay. Never. Even mbemne mi he Biafra. People and people say for the video. My kids na be make kuru hanaka. No na champ. They say for those videos. Job people from na. And make my kiss my boys. Only na make ku yanaka. onye mere ha na-eku Ogechi mụrụ mbisa ya ọcha na-akpọ m 2016-17 m na-abịa n'ọfịs mee kuru ha n'aka na-arụ ọnụ program m onagashi na ụlọ ahụ nwa mgbe ahụ ka ha dị young self ọgwụ na ahụ ya ụfọdụ mkpọta ha na kamera ha na-ekwu okwu ọgwụ na-eji ha anya unu hụ ya somebody ga na-abịa na-akọrọ unu nye mụ na na-eburu ya because ịchọrọ ihe iji akọ ọnụ ndị nwụrụ mgbe ahụ na anaghị ahụ ya ma nọ n'ọfịs m nọ n'ụlọ m ma nọ n'ọfịs m nọ n'ụlọ m so narị nga nwere anyway unu mego na ahụ man work into my house work into my head ya na Ogechi akarịwa unu useless hatred ebe unu nwere ebe m nọ ga-egbu unu ndị ala na-ejikwala ji ndụ nnụ mere ihe chụchi na Ogechi emena na Ogechi ime unu anọkwa m gị aga m anọkwa ịchụọ ma ị nọ n'ọnwụ ma achụọ gị ịnọ n'ọnwụ so you decide to stay on your own ghọtago okay dị aware solofuna na-ezuzu chola alakpuo na-agaziri onwe unu ike enwenye m jụrụ unu kọrọ mma akọwara unu a na-ebe nke m kọziri unu ka unu ji achọ onye unu ga-egbu unu achọ ha ikele unu ga-aha ya unu achọ ndị kidnap ga unu go kidnap na self itu na self unu ga-egbukwa onwe unu aka nshi unu ga-abụ unu n'ọnụ unu kpọrọ m enwebeghị dibịa unu akpọbe gaa n'ụwa unu aga mụ na mmiri unu aga mụ n'ọjị unu aga nta gị mụ solo na never dey work Chineke ga-akpọ unu ọkụ ndị ara I remember mgbe ihe a bishọp na-eme na mgbe m bidoro na-eme ya ma Chineke ịbịa machi gị guzoro tọnụ pant kọlọgọ wụgịnị content raw content unu eburu ya na m na-ada m eju nwa Igbo oke nke ugbula ka gịnị ka bishọp na-eme kwa bishọp na-achịcha gị weta ihe eji ara gị unu anaghụ ya as form but Ogechi mere ya mmadụ ha amagbu unu Ogechi mere ya problem Ogechi shi guzoro size brain na-eyi ogene content I was the first person to do that content na blue app unu ebilie ya unu ebuluo ya na Ogechi egbuolu na Ogechi atalu na Ogechi emebielu ụmụ Igbo nke a bishop na-eme na is he not the same replicant of the same thing ọwụ ihe mere na blue app nne pant gị nke ike bishop na-ajụ gị how many rands ka na ị na-arụ ole ka ishi eti mkpu exactly my content I was doing it and ebupute m DJ Park ebupute m bito casket wee niile na-eme somebody na-agba m shi Ogechi na you chọrọ okwu ka ihe m ji chọọ ha okwu doing my thing peacefully ha copy the video ha bịa ji ya destroy ya people's mind unu achị Chineke ọnụ bugu unu a ga-eme unu n'ahụ unu na-ekwu na ọnụ bugu unu is it not the same thing bishop is doing now unu na-ahụ ya as a normal thing ọkpụkpụ m ga-agbagbu unu niile ọkpụkpụ m ga-agbagbu unu niile so Ogechi nsogbu unu he niile mmega ka that guy na-eme na I was one that brought it out mbe m jog jari page na just content na create everywhere na-enwe fun yesha hụ ga-aga jila gị but no ọ dị okay because always man emege while when I brought it out on this blue app Ogechi egbuolu ụmụ be anyị ọ shi weta size amụ ya ọ shi ya lee bishop a na-ajụ gị size ọkpụ gị ọ na-ajụ gị ụdọ ọkpụ ya na n'abalị those ones are okay okay nwụkọ ewukọ ọjọọ akwa ya Chineke nna mbụ n'ọnụ bụ n'ọnụ amadụ ha ga-amagbucha nnụ niile ndị ala don't worry efọrọta gbụrụ agwụ ndị ala megala him softly some demons are gathered one place brew their wahala bia him peacefully. One him Jogo was doing my thing peacefully. Nebula me nje drop be ja poku mmụọ ya na mmadụ kwuru bịa n'ụwa me evoke we ya lụsowo n'ọgụ. Una ekpela ka mme ya o. Cause when ga megide mmadụ ihe onye you get that person will get provoked. Je consult wa mmụọ ya na ejiri je n'ụwa na atụrụ hoje na-eme na anu una agbasịkwa onye ọ na-anọrọkwala onwe ya o. Onye ọ rie du onwe ya o. Ma chọkwa be ishe me evoke ma nwa alụsowo n'ọgụ. They will buy my sister after that. Never will I you. No one no book more about one. You must all get chilly man no bonala. Mashi achoman no. Mashamwa, yachoman no, 2 1 no. No when no. No, rather this 2025 oh. No, no where. Una bull frustration una better my page. Una pama na uzum burun na bia here. E wonye mburu ne arada ke me bu nna ya. No, chema be feel this miss yeah, no, when no. Look at me, I want content more. Now, trying to make a deal. Ne, mere him more. Ne, bura musuno ba. Na my tally. Musuno ba tally. After that, I can network. I couldn't add you. No, I don't know where I will make everybody day there. No, when no. Megala para mwahemo. Ne brozo no bata. Check and feel this Miss Punch. On Monday, this thing mistake date. Check date and marry him. On a platform mo post when you need you frustration na been on my platform. I posted something for my own, none of your business. What I know this one a bitterness is on my platform for a one yem job. Bag of rice from she your wife will see this. The by me these people don't know. Ogechi me ya fun. After that, I remember your network. All the network bad. No, Ogechi my Miss Punch. The fuck. Zan Kobe. Paycheck. I think at this their website or short, but I don't know what's going on. This is their website. Something is wrong with this their website. Monday, what's Monday's date? That was Monday. Come check your date Monday. Tau 29, right? Hold on. No, you can go live for now. I'm going to make it important to get you on. Not remember. It's not. Frank, I don't understand you. Not remember me. What does mean? Let me check. Monday was. This incident happened on Monday. Okay, Monday was on the 23rd, right? Today is Sunday, yeah. It was on Monday, 12, 23, 20, 24. Timing 3 to 11. Time out 11 to 7. 16 hours. To 7 a.m. Chief Wicked. That mean. Tochiku, my brother, how are you? Now, me for my break. Now I'm Miss Sponge. Then one more day to go, my doubles. My brand new year moment. Reason for the Miss Punch. Okay, you're settled tomorrow. No lasagna na you. Hate lam go your way, day your day. You don't need to like. You must not like me. No one win. guys can happen because man was up prayer funky. At least I go do 1 hour. My rest here before my shift. Charge my double shit channel, man. I never see somebody way hand my husband don't trust buying expensive stuff for me anymore. I don't know how to keep stuff. My image are boy here. But it's still working anyway. No, guys, that see you guys later. I won't name him the giveaway. I may deserve a giveaway. Now, Jamakula, no, this one I give away.